So hi everybody and welcome back. This is C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 235, and in this video I want to show you what I forget to show you, and that is we have to learn 10 finger writing. Normally I expected most of you probably know 10 finger writing, and probably most of you write 10 times faster than me, but in case if there is anyone who don't know 10 finger writing, it is time to learn it. And the reason for that is it gives you a much speed boost. And how you can learn it on the web, you can go here on the web, and then there are different online free 10 writing tools. For example, this one, you can see you can start here writing something. So, and train all the things, and you can see they are measuring your time, they are measuring how fast you are, and then you can do this. And there are many millions of 10 finger writing programs online for free. Important is these online free programs are most time not even made for programmers. What I mean with that, these are made more for people who want learning 10 finger writing, or even want learn really fast writing for journalism, or for, I don't know, secretaries and so kind of stuff, and they need to write really fast. And you see there are some kind of values, speed values, which we don't need. So for example, I have only 20 till 50 words per minute, and when you compare their speed on this side, they have over 50, over 100, and over whatever. This is absolute super speed. Don't worry if you don't be so fast like them. That's not the point here. Important is why we need to learn 10 finger writing is we have to avoid watching on the keyboard. That's the reason why we should learn 10 finger writing. And the second reason is we need to learn the shortcuts. This is more important for programmers. First, you have to know 10 finger writing so that you don't have to watch on the keyboard when you are doing something. And the second thing, which is more important, learn the shortcuts. For example, you can see here I have used again the shortcuts to collapse all. Now let's say I want open all. Instead of going here and click all time open, I just should click here Control MO, I think. Oops, first select this, Control MO and Control ML. Now it's all open, something like that, you can see. And this was what I don't wanted. In my last video I said we should only concentrate on the code so we can avoid here all the scrolling. Okay, let's go Control M L again. Now it's all collapsed, and now just open the things which we need. This was that one, and in my case this one and this one, and all other things I don't need to. So you can see that was the hidden path. So you understand it, right? First you have to learn 10 finger writing. The second, the shortcuts that will improve your speed. And that's very important because on the online and other people you see they typing very fast, and the reason why they are typing very fast is they learn 10 finger writing and they learn the shortcuts. So these two combinations, you are a really master. If you are not learning that, then you are so slow like me. You can see my videos, I'm very slow. So if you want avoid to be slow like me, just write it. By the way, I can 10 finger writings, but I write not in general very fast, but I don't watch on the keyboard. That's very important, and that you should avoid too. So that was the first point. The second point is there are probably many people out there who's watching this video who know 10 finger writing. So if you already know 10 finger writing, you can do instead write a 10 finger writing program for test purposes, for exercise purposes. And what I mean with that is something like that. So not a big one, just for fun test purposes. So you can see what I did here in some minutes. I just throw in some words just for test purposes. Okay, now it starts I made it not fancy. Okay, let's say I did this one here and I want stop. Okay, it's not the stop time. I have to print T to stop, and you can see, oh, okay, I wrote this one in 12 seconds. That's very bad. All right, you understand. You can write something like that for test purpose, for own as yes, to train programming, because you already know 10 finger programs, and this is an additional exercise to the exercise which we already made. But the important thing on this exercise is you have just to use probably code which you don't know. What I mean with that, you probably need a timer. You can see I have here a timer. And do you know what? I wrote not this time. I just grabbed it from the internet. I put it in. The important thing is I just tested this timer if this is working. What I mean with that is this code here says you have just start anywhere. That was here. Here it starts begin, and then anywhere it's here an end. Here is an end. You can see here's the begin. Then I start here my typing in, and later when I type here this line T, after this one, this while loop is finished, and then I can execute end, and later it shows me here this code. And the point is here, I wrote not this code. I just tested this one if this is working. So, and this is the new thing which you can train. You can just take from the internet code which you don't understand, functions or whatever, and test the functionality. The functionality is this measuring my time? Okay, you have to just define it sometimes where to start and stop and a little bit optimization, but not too much. Right now, you should be able to do this even without understanding the code. So for example, in my case, I watch not this line at all. I just take this line and then I watch it only to see if this is the begin place, okay, and then where's the end place, okay, and then that's it. That what I checked. I checked not the code if this is right. What is this standard chrono? Okay, probably you have to get the libraries, the right libraries. You can see that's also here important, but you understand what I mean, right? You have just to check functionality even you don't understand the code. And yeah, that's it for this one. And I wish now good luck for everybody who don't know 10 finger writings. And the best thing is you should be faster than me because I'm very, very slow. If you are faster than me, then that's good. And the important thing is not actually very fast writing. The actually thing why you should do this is we'll have to watch not on the keyboard while you are writing, because then you are faster anyway, and learn the shortcuts, and you improve your speed. And if you are using this type 10 finger writings on the online who are made for secretaries and so on, they are writing in a speed this is super fast and that will improve your coding as well. And I'm learning this one too. I know already 10 finger writing, but I relearn it, let's say, for speed purposes, just for fun. And yeah, with that said, I think that's all for this video. And like all time, if you have any questions, any complaints, like all time, write in the comment section. See you in the next video where we continue really with our cert. Right, that was here, this cert here. We have already wrote the algorithm and now we have to implement this one. And then, yeah, see you there. Bye, good luck, have fun, and never give up.